people of the world. My name is Maribel, or call me Di for short. Today, I'm gonna show you my quick and easy pork adobo. So adobo is a traditional Filipino flavor, so you can make it with any kind of meats of your choice. So either chicken, pork, or if you are a vegetarian, you can use tofu. So what I'm gonna show you today is pork adobo Ilonggo style. So because I'm from Iloilo, the city of love, so it's gonna be a bit of a twist. I'm gonna sprinkle some love in the dish. So come on, see for yourself how Ilonggo style adobo is made of. So here are our ingredients. First, we have pork, minced garlic, chopped onions, bay leaves, peppercorn, some salt and sugar, hot pepper, pineapple chunks, green onions for garnishing. So to taste, we are using soy sauce, vinegar, and ATSUETE for added color. But basically, it's really up to you how much to use, because if you want it to be a little bit saltier, then you can use more soy sauce, and if you want it to be a little bit sour, then put more vinegar. So this is ATSUETE dissolved in water. So we're using this for additional color. This gives the adobo a more appetizing color. So now that I'm done showing you the ingredients, I'm gonna show you how to cook it step by step. Remember not to use oil when you are pan frying, because you have to allow the pork's oil to come out, and then it will fry the meat with its own oil until it turns golden brown. Now you can use the excess oil to fry the other ingredients. So there you go, people of the world. my mother's recipe, Ilonggo style pork adobo. So you have to note that the pineapple adds to the acidity and sweetness, and ATSUETE adds to the color and flavor, so that comes out yummy. Anyway, if you like my video, hit like, subscribe, and share. Bye! See you! Mmm.